Welcome to Invest Avenue. In this video, we're going to explore the investment philosophy of Benjamin Graham, one of the most influential figures in the world of finance and investing. Graham's ideas and insights have inspired generations of investors, and his timeless quotes continue to be studied and referenced by investors of all levels of experience. Join me as we take a deep dive into some of his most famous quotes and examine how they can help us become better, more disciplined investors. And stick around until the end of the video, where I'll share my referral link to Interactive Brokers, an online brokerage that can help you put Graham's principles into action. So let's get started. The intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimists and buys from pessimists. In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it is a weighing machine. Those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it. An investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and an adequate return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative. But investing isn't about beating others at their game. It's about controlling yourself at your own game. The stock investor is neither right or wrong because others agreed or disagreed with him. He is right because his facts and analysis are right. People who invest make money for themselves, people who speculate make money for their brokers. As the Danish philosopher Søren Kierkegaard noted, life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. You will be much more in control, if you realize how much you are not in control. Invest only if you would be comfortable owning a stock even if you had no way of knowing its daily share price. Buy cheap and sell dear. On the other hand, investing is a unique kind of casino, one where you cannot lose in the end, so long as you play only by the rules that put the odds squarely in your favor. A stock is not just a ticker symbol or an electronic blip, it is an ownership interest in an actual business, with an underlying value that does not depend on its share price. Plant trees that other men will sit under. Obvious prospects for physical growth in a business do not translate into obvious profits for investors. All things excellent are as difficult as they are rare. In other words, the market is not a weighing machine, on which the value of each issue is recorded by an exact and impersonal mechanism, in accordance with its specific qualities. Rather should we say that the market is a voting machine, whereon countless individuals register choices which are the product partly of reason and partly of emotion. In conclusion, Benjamin Graham, known as the father of value investing, was a pioneer in the field of finance and investing. His insightful quotes and investment philosophy have stood the test of time and continue to inspire investors to this day. Graham's emphasis on the importance of thorough research, disciplined investing, and a long-term perspective is as relevant today as it was during his lifetime. As we navigate the complex world of investing, we can draw on Graham's wisdom to guide our decisions and build a solid foundation for our financial future. Remember, as Benjamin Graham once said, the investor's chief problem, and even his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. So let us learn from his teachings, invest wisely, and stay the course to achieve our financial goals. Thank you for watching Invest Avenue, and I hope you found this video on Benjamin Graham's quotes informative and helpful. Before I go, I want to remind you that if you're interested in implementing Benjamin Graham's investing principles, a great place to start is by opening an account with Interactive Brokers. They offer low fees, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of investment options to help you build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Plus, if you use my referral link in the description below, you can get a special bonus when you open your account. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and start investing with Interactive Brokers today. Thanks again for watching Invest Avenue, and happy investing.